Hello everybody, welcome back to Indelphi NCERT Solutions. In this lecture, we are going to learn about probability of class 12, exercise 13.1, question number 14. So given that the two numbers appearing on throwing two dice are different, find the probability of event. The sum of the numbers on the die is 4. So two dice are thrown. We have to find out the probability of event that the sum of the two numbers on the dice is 4. So one dice has sample space consists of total 36 possibilities. Here two dice are thrown at a once. So we have 6 into 6 total 36 sample space. So let E be the event that sum of the numbers on the dice is 4 and F be the event that the two numbers appearing on the throwing dice, the two dice are different. So the two dice must be different and also their sum must be is equals to 0. Their sum must be is equals to 4. So E be the event that we get 1 plus 3 4, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 1 4. And also F be the event the two numbers appearing on the throwing the two dice are different. So they must be different irrespective of their sum and but they must be different of their events. So we do not consider the same number events. So the F is equals to, we got total of 30 chances out of the 36 because we have 1 1, 2 2, 3 3 and so on up to 6 6. So probability of F is 30 divided by 36 and also probability of E is 3 divided by 36, that is equals to 1 by 12. 30 by 36, that is probability of F is 5 by 6. E intersection if the common terms which is in the both events the common term is 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1. So we have only 2 among the 36. So 2 by 36, that is equals to 1 by 18. So from the conditional probability, we know that probability of E by F can be written as probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F, that is equals to 1 by 18 divided by 5 by 6, that is equals to 1 by 15. Therefore probability of E by F event is 1 by 15. And thank you.